How to change the size of your Samsung keyboard with Android 15 One UI 7.0. Assuming you're currently using your Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard, and let's just say you're about to start typing and this pops up here. Now you want to change the height or the size of your keyboard. So to do this, you'll tap on the three dots right here at the right side. And by doing this, you'll see what is known as keyboard size. If it doesn't appear here as part of the tools, you can always tap on the plus and look for it as one of the available buttons and add it in. Now that it's here, you'll tap on it and you'll see this right here. With Samsung keyboard, you can pull on the tabs from the corner side, making it more of a one-handed kind of keyboard, or you can simply just adjust the height of it, making it as tall as possible. And once you reach that red mark there, that means that's the highest it can go, and also having it more on one side or the opposite side. Once you're done with all your changes, press the done and you are good to go. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.